Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got this Alpha Z something. It's 6 pins on the left, 5 on the right. Looks like 2 on top. Alright. We can get this in there. Alright. Let's see what happens. Getting some weak clicks here and there, and then some nice sharp ones. Let's see, let me throw that. If I can get it in there. I cannot. Here's a little short hook. There we go. Let's see if this will bind. That is not binding. There should be one more. Somewhere in there. I don't know if that's what's holding me up. I just figured we'd check that top row. Alright, we're not doing that. We're not going flag on top of a tensioner in that keyway. There we go. Well, that's very lackluster. So, all right.